The power of fiber. Unlocking the benefits of high-fiber diets. Fiber is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. A high-fiber diet has been shown to have numerous benefits, from promoting digestive health and supporting healthy blood sugar levels to aiding in weight management and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of high-fiber diets, discuss the different types of fiber, and provide tips and recommendations for incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet. What is fiber? Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that is found in plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. It is a non-digestible nutrient, meaning that it is not broken down by the body and is instead excreted in the stool. There are two main types of fiber: soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system. It is found in foods such as oats, barley, nuts, seeds, and fruits, particularly apples, bananas, and berries. Soluble fiber has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and helps to add bulk to stool and promote regular bowel movements. It is found in foods such as whole grains, vegetables, and legumes. Insoluble fiber has been shown to help prevent constipation and diverticulitis. Benefits of high-fiber diets. A high-fiber diet has numerous benefits for our overall health and well-being. Some of the most significant advantages include: 1. Promotes digestive health. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 2. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Soluble fiber helps to slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, regulating blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 3. Aids in weight management. Fiber-rich foods tend to be more filling and satisfying, leading to weight loss and improved weight management. 4. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. A high-fiber diet has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer, such as colorectal cancer. 5. Supports healthy gut bacteria. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in the gut and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Foods high in fiber. Incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet is easy and delicious. Some of the top high-fiber foods include: 1. Fruits. Apples, bananas, berries, and pears are all high in fiber. 2. Vegetables. Broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes are all high in fiber. 3. Whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are all high in fiber. 4. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are all high in fiber. 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all high in fiber. Tips for increasing fiber intake. Increasing fiber intake can be easy and delicious. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. 2. Incorporate whole grains. Choose whole grains over refined grains whenever possible. 3. Add legumes to your diet. Try adding beans, lentils, or chickpeas to your meals. 4. Snack on nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds make great snacks. 5. Gradually increase fiber intake. Increase fiber intake gradually to allow the digestive system to adjust. Common challenges and solutions. While increasing fiber intake can be beneficial, there are often challenges that can get in the way. Here are some common challenges and solutions. 1. Digestive discomfort. Gradually increase fiber intake to allow the digestive system to adjust. 2. Food preferences. Try different preparation methods and recipes to make fiber-rich foods more palatable. 3. Time constraints. Incorporate fiber-rich foods into meals and snacks to make it easier to meet daily fiber needs. Conclusion. A high-fiber diet is a powerful tool for promoting overall health and well-being. With its numerous benefits, including promoting digestive health, supporting healthy blood sugar levels, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, it's no wonder that fiber is often referred to as the forgotten nutrient. By incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet and following the tips and recommendations outlined in this article, you can unlock the benefits of high-fiber diets and start enjoying a healthier, happier you. Recommendations. If you're looking to increase your fiber intake. Thanks, please share and subscribe.